should be looking for a way to format that memory card and carefully extract your useful information from that card so that you don't lose it. You have an image. A professional course of law. You made a grave mistake. You should be looking for a way to do a damage control. You should be looking for a way to redeem that image. Cause that stress and that struggle for 6 years. Yes. Yes. What is the essence of Okeki Jami? What is the essence of a minister without portfolio? The owner of the hotel, the owner of the real estate company, and the owner of the telecommunication company. They may not be anything short of Antichrist. Yes. I am telling you, take it today. Yes. They wanted to spite Pastor Paul and Enshe. They wanted to ridicule the church. Yes. They wanted to ridicule the church. They wanted to slap it on Pastor Paul and Enshe and the church. That was, I wanted to come to the last minute of this broadcast before my wow what I think about them. If not, yes, that is what they wanted to do. If not, she made a mistake. She made a great mistake. It wasn't anybody who made that mistake. Yes. Oh, look at that. Namadu Nyemego. Semo na Jeremiah Okeke yezite nwe. Owo na obia munye that 1 million. Jeremiah Okeke zite nwe bia njo ya kere onye ziteru osi no James Okafo. Menye the 1 million. The answer is no. Metu yohi. The answer is yes. Masie no bialo no keriva na akwe no keriva na akwe impersonation. Yes. Because that is what it is. Why ye eji we bia ka e bia wori ife no bụrụ ngu wonye ziri. Jeremiah Okeke and James Okafo abro the same thing. So you need to spend a lot of time to explain to me that no mistake Kimelu. Yes. That is why I said that Paul and Enshe cannot be totally blamed. Looking at what is happening in our churches today, everybody has to be at alert. When you are supposed to do careful, he sense her any foul play, he respond. Yeah. So I was one of the people who be harsh on him, but at the end of the day, looking at the conduct this woman in exhibit, you never expected that you are going to be a celebrity. Celebrity of who? Celebrity of who? Yeah? Are you more popular than Okongu Dibia Neje Abande Dibia now? Siro Okongu Dibia o celebrity. Okongu Dibia to go celebrity ko oko celebrity ko Okongu Dibia ko celebrity. Since people have started being celebrity for the wrong reasons. Onye wa address o ma alose. Address ebife na ado. Celebrity native doctor. Oko a celebrity ko. So bikonu Okongu Dibia a celebrity. People made him a celebrity. So who am I to take that celebrity title from him? He became a celebrity by being the address of Omalose. Yes. So a celebrity go. Yes. A celebrity go. So those people who knew this lady, all those things. Ono ka ye kwurizi mbatalo onu ji we do quick ebia reward ignorance kerifun ji we do quick ebia reward mediocrity kerifun ji we do quick ebia reward failure. That is what you people have ended up in doing. Obulu na real estate ya uko ewe wori image vera we market ye afọ no sorry or one of this telecommunication company. No, onu just reward onya unu we manu na ye use we penetrate ya dunamis church. Unu je unu ye use nwe we bring it down Dunamis shop. Obviously, at the end of the day, ono shop down onyawo a deep member of Dunamis. If not, ayaka afuge singing all around Facebook. Yes, onwere ude mmadụ ya wọwụrụ ayaka afuge ebe ọ na sing around Facebook, trying to indict Pastor Paul Enenche. Yeah. Onye buchi spring water. If you will ezigbo isi okpo. If you will ezigbo isi okpo. Isi okpo nke enwo grade. Mind your business, but you know on my page. My page or your business. Must you be here? I am minding my business here. They are interfering in my business. And I say mind your business. What are you doing here? Why are you here if my business is not your business? Yeah? Oh well. Oh well, even follow Ngechi Beyonce. My sincere apologies to Pastor Dr. Paul Enenche. What you saw in a few minutes, it took me almost 2 weeks to see. This is shallow. Oh, sorry. My sincere apologies to Pastor Dr. Paul Enenche. What you saw in a few minutes, it took me almost 2 weeks to see. This is shallow. Yes. Yes. We all blamed him. We all blamed him. But today, I have to go now. Spiritually, no, we phone. Spiritually, no, we phone. You are a celebrity. You want to start. You want to start parading yourself as a celebrity. For what? Celebrity for what? As a celebrity, yes. Celebrity Bobrisky wo no a cross dresser. A cross dresser ko Bobrisky wo a cross dresser. E what I go? Very dark man. I am ife o specialize in Davido na akuegu. Flavor na akuegu. I don't so onye shaka na akuegu. J-Pack who a blogger, who a comedian. You see, all the celebrities same way today. Kora Obidi, who a dancer. Yes, Popu Speedy ha, who dancers ka how. Tiwa Savage who onye on a gwegu. So can you tell me? When they neti obo, when they na bamba, when they na UFC, when they footballers. You got to go. When they nutritionist ka how food and nutritionist ka how on Facebook na akuziri how to manage your diet and all that. When they sports analyst ka how when they bloggers ndị na-akọ wife etu o si wee do. You got to go. In fact, when they follow into entertainers, professional bodies, you must have a portfolio. You must have a portfolio attached to that your celebrity life. So now tell me, Vera say not a celebrity called celebrity gonna see. Can you feel me as a celebrity? Can you feel Jumalo? Maybe an a church. Quoting with BSc in law. Quoting with BSc in law. Pastor say no fake now this your testimony to fake. A mecha shop that need jelu school a ezioku. Ni with that certificate ezioku. Come and email mistake. Introduce your certificate well. So if I'm a celebrity, then somebody to ignorant somewhere decided to call you to his resort to come and enjoy and have fun for making a grave mistake that you should be looking for a way to wipe out that this thing from your face. Looking for a way to do damage control to get off that heavy this thing on your head. He called you instead to come and enjoy. Then somebody elsewhere decided to reward you also with a land for making a very worst mistake mother supposed to him. Then somebody elsewhere called you to reward you with a satellite phone worth 1.8 million. You think those people love you? You think those people love you? You think that those people love you? Okay, oh. Okay. Odumma. 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 No, he called out to advertise his hotel. Remember, these are selfish people, not really a reward. Imagine. Owori Emeka ndị mmadụ manụkwa na that resort do na Port Harcourt. O ifo ji ewe me. Ndị mmadụ manụ na that resort do na Port Harcourt. But you decided to trade on the gullibility of a young lady. Of a young lady. Yes. If one supposedly made that woman who unu professional lawyer ama unu otu lawyer nwe ka o si wee daa ama una ewori hand ya this lady over to that lawyer where coach onye ka o maro sometimes maro some words do associated to law oya dey use kuzigasiaria necessary things so need rema in as much as not sure practice but at least ko maria you got to go for the purpose of meeting people, having conversation with people, and all that. Come here, or if you need email, on Oje Port Harcourt, Oje Biendo, Oje say my fans. Your fans as who? Can they fans? On the dunamis who fans? Who are your fans? Eh? They should come and welcome you in Port Harcourt. Welcome you for what? Eh? Now na iya afukwa na somebody ukwenye Nigeria ya maikwa aka na akpa woputakwa ego jekwori ugwunu. You will see that. You will see it. Iya anokwa na Facebook somebody ukwenye Nigeria ye woputakwa ego jekwori ugwunu. Iya afu that girl nke jam oblozi mmadu si from nowhere bialuo sponsor ya. Yeah? Obrozi mmadụ si from somewhere bịa sponsor ye o wee jebe obodo oyiwo ka ọgụ ije gụọ akwụkwọ. Obrozi somebody merie ye. Yeah? That girl need godoro ịnọ a caution other girl, call other girl in order. A other go try go do speak some kind of morals into that girl before looking for a way forward. Yeah? Ewo no at least na eben na ajuta no yi at all. Yes. Ajuta no yi at all. You want to go? They decided to reward her. Gbasenu mu mazi niile ya na eje nene exam ahụ. Gbasenu mu mazi niile ya na eje nene exam ahụ. Okoli Jean Mary. Gbasenu mu mazi niile ya na eje nene that exam. Gụrụ akwụkwọ so hard to pass that exam. Gbasenu, how will they be feeling? How will they be feeling? The same thing with our celebrity BSc lawyer. Yeah? Nna Chinenye na-eme ọ bụrụkwa the same thing ka ha na-emeziri kịta ha chọziri ide enye mmadụ ọkụ atọ. Kịta ya anọzi 3 weeks anyị eweta ọkụ only 2 times. That is the country we live in. Ịghọtago? Ọ ife obodo anyị nọ na-enyeru kịta na nke ikpeazụ. Ịghọtago? Ana reward ife ọjọọ. Okay, spring water. Ezugodogwu nwoke. Please mind your business only on Okongwu Dibia finish there is celebrity. Okongwu Dibia. Okongwu Dibia is celebrity ka celebrity ka ọkwari onye ama ama ka ọ. O nwere onye Igbo amaghị onye Okongwu Dibia wụ. O nwere onye Igbo amaghị onye Okongwu Dibia wụ. OPM did the same thing n'ebe Happy Boy no. Now, because now those guys, now what they were giving wasn't actually what they needed. The end was the history. Look at how they still did not see that opportunity when it came. Yes. Did they see the opportunity when it came? No. Same way as we abuse. Yes. They abused it the same way as we abuse all our hand with our moment of truth. You're welcome.
After I saw number yesterday, after that time, the thing I got man I have network.
What's happened?
Oh,
not on.
No network. Good afternoon, sir. That is the long time. Anyway, all Nigerians are involved. As I rightly said, what do you call him? OPM started it. Normally, in our law, why are you dancing on your duty?
On your duty?
What I mean? But you encourage, will I say, stupidity in our society.
Yes.
Has had the poor by that age, you know, security. I mean, they are from poor family, but you just ended up using them to chase shadow, sending to Cyprus, where you can send your own children. Because Cyprus is one of the worst places you can visit in Europe. You understand what I mean? All of them are chasing shadow in order to promote his church business. I'm sorry to use that word. Now, this lady, you have seen that now. Let's say now, only I will say opportunist, cob. Then because usually she went to Port Harcourt. I don't know whether or better with 2 million or 10 million from there. What does it take for you to come to Port Harcourt? Take a risk, Galan hotel 1 week, or it doesn't make any difference. Greenville Hotel, what are you going to eat there? They usually will do business. I was disappointed in that man. I think he's a lawyer, one of his followers. I was disappointed. These are the people who are supposed to teach our society moral.
Educate. Are you saying that now that man follow now that man follow
I think he's a lawyer. Yeah.
Now that man who follow this Onya we put in Port Harcourt, not a lawyer called.
Yeah, I can make him inquire. I know him for long. I think he's a lawyer. Yeah, I won't pay more than that.
Yeah. But educate can draw BSc na BSc with Bachelor of Science.
Anyway, let me not say what I don't know. In other words, according to after that incident, so many lawyers or whatever who were named is level by level. Even Paul Enenche himself, I think he's a medical doctor. In other words, he went to school, he had known better. But let us not talk the point remains that all be the problem I went in Nigeria. Now, had he been that not succeed, give us a good testimony. He's going to be seen as a lawyer. Although you rightly said that people went to school based on different reasons, or not just to have that certificate. Now, these are the kind of certificates you in Nigeria. Mainly will tell your certificate to Western world, they don't value it. We have doctors like that who cannot operate. I remember the operation on we have them thousands. Look at this school. I'm not talking of English actually, because it's not our language. I brought everybody that has spoken. But there are certain things you can defend, just like that room you are sitting in. I just what is the color of that curtain. You don't need to any native doctor before I mention, you know what I mean? That is where the system you pass through. You can defend that course. Let's say interview. They ask you a question. What did you study? Kenka. So she failed in everything. That was what threw Paul off. He couldn't be able to contain that. And at the same time, he was so eager to prove to the world that here they don't entertain arranged testimony. That is where he also got it wrong. He also want to prove a point that here all the testimonies are genuine and verified. That is why he overjumped because of, I think, testimony. Big churches name about testimony interviewer. Before you come out to give testimony, you pass through process. Before they allow you to come up. However, all of them made one mistake or the other. But this lady, you see, something is not working properly. And I personally a policewoman called. Then George case now with the problem as a police. Now not about going was a celebrity for the fact that people pitied on you, name a public assault. All people like me. Yeah, I got them people you give to support me. I will hide myself, zone upgrade to be able to come out in a better way than he want to disgrace some way money. You can see that thousands of people have turned their back against him. All in down there used there for cashing out, like for business purpose. Only hotel port and the other people who are going to call him her. But all probably the problem I want in society, we support evil. We endorse all these things. Like most content creators, they make something good. They don't have followers. But in the about that is the problem we have in our society. Among what naga.
Yes.
If somebody put on a disgrace and testimony, which in the they are the pastor did right. If put us in Ibezu, where are you from? You can't be able to defend it. I will know that you are lying. That's all.
Yes,
Okay, did also good. It didn't took him up to 1 week before he apologized. And even that apology, the person know that, my dear, we have to tell ourselves the truth. Any issue anywhere that certificate comes in, have to be questioned. Here in Germany, check or whatever. There is other school they will put you. They won't allow you that, oh, my mom must be a doctor, must be a lawyer. No, they'll put you where you belong. All of us are not going to be the same. What I mean.
yes.
So now, why you always have been a married exam or that? But I think today nobody fail in examination anymore in Nigeria. Everybody now pass. Why should you see somebody that kind of lawyer? I will not check one certificate to Buhari and Tinubu. You can see the system is corrupt. Obviously, because I look at what's happening. Then instead of people to use that opportunity to pass a message, there was in the business promotion, inviting them to come to hotel. Oh, be in a hotel. Okay, one thing is to be a celebrity, one thing to maintain that status. Just like in the example, put us all of a sudden they close up. Now you put a nice and tell okay, near Victoria Island, be here, Lekki, then tell you because I have the letter to be Kubana. For which purpose? For which area? Celebrity? Oh yeah, she's going to quit her job because she okay. Content creators are not too good, no, you know much about it or writing. So, celebrity in which purpose? If I'm not mistaken, and I put celebrity in Nigeria, when you have not put on a Facebook and they claim celebrity.
I
I don't know what I mean.
Celebrity.
What are you talking? My charlatans, news and put down whatever, native doctors are celebrity, pastors are celebrity. Not, I mean, everybody, Now, not about going was celebrity because now the whole world just saw you in where you come and disgrace yourself. What I mean?
Yes.
Come and play open disgrace. What I go? If disgrace is your it was almost celebrity because somebody bought in your phone or your cause about still in a hotel. It was almost celebrity. And then they know what they are doing actually, just a business strategy. In Nigeria, all of us are looking for opportunity. Obia grab boy. What I go? So that is exactly what transpired. That man know you usually dump or you up.
Yes.
Abun actually sponsor, he had to sponsor her to the fullest. Let's say 20 million naira or 10 million. He just called her because she know that this is training. So people will only promote all the business. So use going out dump but they let her alone because maybe something is wrong with her head. So whichever way I think she have to, I don't know whether family name me advice. Us is young manager. I don't know what the manager is managing or whatever. In fact, we have a long way to go. You only the kid to be relaxed. G1, popular adult education one more chopper. We came. I mean, a lawyer, people might be a lawyer. Do you know what it means? Whether or persist kid be a lawyer. Do you know what it means? They are well read now. They are highly intelligent.
I don't think no Google go.
Whatever it might be, at least. So that little certificate.
Course so many file course
Under part time or whatever. Whichever way it might be.
Course so many file course yeah will make sure we got go.
But if I'm not mistaken, somebody that went to, let's say, polytechnic, college of education, or university should be able to at least, if a man has something, I mean, you know what I mean, but when school pass through you or something like that, but it's unfortunate, even as a policeman, even as a policeman, why can't we change all this? And whenever those things happen, some persons or whatever, we like to endorse them, telling people that you can do the same thing and survive. That's why so many of our sisters are being misled.
Somebody
Millions of people are going to pay. They are going to pay.
Somebody now.
You got to go for reasons I won't know. But also somebody
like that let down pass the jump or whatever. Minus in the, or it doesn't cost you nothing anything to do with the scholarship. What do I cost? But I like that in OG council lawyer. I like that now. Open I don't make this kind of thing in our society. It will be better. Oh yeah, OPM. People we are working, 2 boys we are working, they were dancing. And when you open if you can see those boys dancing. They are still in the same battle. There won't be any changes. Likewise, this is our new celebrity now. The war saga. Something is wrong. I don't really like to come down, but I was so upset. Normally, sometimes it's not all about education. People are not disgrace because okay, millions of people have been giving testimony. How many people can pass that to their testimony? You know what I mean? Why?
Yes.
Omenala can show you that an error. None. Instead of images that in when you keep a situation na imago nyeluma this and that. If put up one okay, Port Harcourt is okay, it's a welcome development. It does announce to all you are not a celebrity. You need the no, you need a house. So now people like as who, as what? Then if I the woman, how I wish I would get them. Say back mail what is celebrity is all about. I mean, careful. And you say good players who is going to finance it? Because now, yeah, but I'm not sure no make more than 10 million. Let's say that good players in my Tama Abuja, maybe 5 million naira every year. Who is going to continue paying? The money generating. You are not into music, man. You are not into entertainment like comedian. All these people that where the money to sustain you are going to be coming. Rent is that building and rent. Our mood on too much. So that the man calling a Port Harcourt, but I was disappointed. But think Chetan be a businessman, so he had to use the opportunity. Whatever. So don't let us not blame him. He's a man.
Then Nigeria look at Nkejambua. Look at Nkejambua.
I love what
one man put those because now innocent withdrawal scholarship on you the girl. Okay, educate that girl by what happened. Then that girl who deserve that scholarship.
The lady deserve a punishment. That's what she deserves. Punishment. Yes. That is each man as society in sense society in Dala. You can do whatever you want to do and get away with it. In a sense society, all you prove who help her to arrange all those documents, all those results, all the corporate. We have a long way to go. Believe me. All the corporate also that young lady plan those things from A to Z. All our compliance. I suppose they may or for fear. Somebody from America all the way. Something that can never happen to America. If you encourage. Upon all pity, all this, I don't know what is wrong with us. So I think I will come and do even bad thing to know if I can get help. Because me also I need money. So that is the society we are living in. Nobody wants to see this thing. Because it happened in a church. So many people, because they really want to hit hard on NNC, so they fail to say the truth where it should be. In what I go? Am I coming clear?
Onye that hotel, onye that real estate company, and onye that telecommunication company. And I'm afraid I can do it. And I'm afraid I can do it.
Okay. I'm not too sure. Omenala.
And I'm afraid I can do it.
Wait. And see, only name Omenala, they use it because of religion. Name some certain things like some of people now criticize our brother willing bitter drink. I say no. For the fact he believe on a religion no belong, doesn't warrant you to criticize his business. It's a business. I can do business with Muslim, anybody. So only Omenala where the truth. Only name Omenala supposedly stand on the truth, if I'm not mistaken. Living a Christian. Don't forget here in Africa. The point remains that people are chasing business, is money. Those people are not in any way Omenala. But some of other gullible members, people.
I want to have Ndomela because na mwa feel na that particular thing.
You can
on the church and Pastor Paul Enenche. That is what I felt.
Okay, any effect that thing well on Paul Enenche. That somebody came and give testimony. He's not God that we know the all. So he know that he asked a question, vital question to that lady concerning her field of this thing. The lady
No,
failed to, you know,
but people did not see it that way now. It's
people that like
it even has to take the recent behaviors and the utterances that lady for me to get, and some behaviors on her art of recent for people to actually begin to question the same way about Pastor Paul election question that. Yes.
Yeah, the problem we have in Nigeria.
How can somebody do okay? Yes, we put on Facebook and I say no plan or no plan or no a celebrity. No kwado na ndị mmadụ na-abịa be n'ụfọdụ uche na Port Harcourt o jere na ebu ego wee bata na ụmụnne na-akpọ ya na-asị na ndị mmadụ na-abịa be ha na ọ ga-achọta ya uru ebe ọ ya eje ka ọ dị secured. Ifuru ife akụ na onye
something wrong somewhere. Something wrong somewhere. I'm sorry to say so. Omarihe. Or he got school or whatever. Omarihe. Almost so many of our grandmothers, they don't know how to read or whatever. But I give you advice that will help you in future. So, Onya Amarihe. Now, the point is, almost some gullible people, no Omenala, no Christianity or whatever. So, some of them know this truth anyway, but they don't want to go in this way. You know, they don't want to go in this way. That lady, Amarihe her name, because NNC, but even blame NNC somehow as a graduate, even a medical doctor. Only a little knowledge or whatever in this area. Man, as such a thing might be, you know, in Nigeria, this thing. But however, all just try to go to people now, they don't do RNG testimony. Back home with this thing. But all that people as a human, you're probably because you're not sorry. The lady one now trouble the opportunity. Man, what I was really used in fact. Anyway, let us see how we go, you know. So I use change and make business, they dump him and they state or what he can't do all those things. She doesn't have what it takes to do all those things. I use change it at dump. Yeah, trade them more than next month or whatever. Believe me, you might not see anybody from it. One boy.
The thing we say, Papa.
How few Christians, man? Nobody know about this thing. Oh yeah, that boy, to be in a election. You know what that boy that came out and spread the hand. Yeah, what happened to that guy? You know, I was asking after that thing. So,
no, even made the guy owner. In fact, even that time I made election, Facebook page that guy grew to thousands of followers. But after election, LUP, what next? Now, after election, the guy which he was back to
square one
mechanic on. So he was back to mechanic.
But what about 10 years at school?
I don't know. She was back to mechanic on alone. Ever has gone on them was the camera. For the more was the Monday support to ABC, more was the name channel election. Get that.
Abandon
reality. Ka Amazon company they file opposite when you endorsement.
Thank God. Thank God. Anyway, one thing like Obi bro, somebody in the chase class. Like we have what it takes to give that guy everything, but another more distance. What we did on your hotel lab all over this lady. So people should stop all this eye service. OPM name me well. Why you mean that happy boy, sir? OPM. Why you mean? So I can this one.
If I'm follow OPM, now those guys na they live from all na I do stranded due to the house back as he when I
not what you have a unity. What you
so to OPM pastor, Mama feel maybe no when or one atom of now because now those guys who just one out of thousands of people on your scholarship or then I go out.
Yeah,
So
you're right, actually.
I've run ya onye kaya that shop Oh no, eye service. We go to eye service enough now.
You are right, but it's part of it actually.
Genuinely,
No
not
help.
sure help those guys. But what I'm saying is that now that particular help when those guys have really had it. Those guys.
Okoya deserve that moment. Okoya
Yes.
deserve that moment.
Yes.
Yeah.
How need somebody? How need somebody I call or to order? How need somebody I want? If you know out one, how need somebody I caution her before if I have ever seen in a later stage. Oh, I caution her. I able what that error. I able what that mistake. I able what that same lifestyle.
Yes. 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 All bound. Yeah. I caution
So,
say okay, that in other way you can be dancing, eating where you are working, no problem. Now the first minister clue now had the bad, not a wicked company. Has okay, that's how my fees.
Ishi Igbo we na open bar. Ishi Igbo
after your duty or during your break.
Ma wo na ife ka na open bar. Na open bar ebe ya wo akpoye egwu ndị mmadụ na-agbala egwu. Ise na entertain people. Mana this one wo na itiri ma na egwu na-agụ ebe a na quiet and they fine. What I go ha need any noise, need onye nwere ike stop ndị na-ere nri. Ora nọ ebe a na-agba egwu so
okay, why no go ha tin na music? Ego plane agba gather place is enough to do something. What I go? Anyway, problem Nigeria. Yeah, I can't email. That jump lady I cancel this thing is better. Use on board.
Enzu go de go ekelekwe ngi. Ejaki mmonwu na
ekelekwe daalụ.
Going on board.
Ebo God.
Ewo, nnukwu God, welcome.
Ya daalụ. Nna Ezugo ị na-agbanye egwu na-eri Ejaki ị nọkwa na-ede n'aka afụrụ m ihe niile. Ịma na my brother kita anyị na-ekwu ya ụfọdụ ga ịma na ama nka m ga-esi wee tie ndị be anyị like ife ọma. Ihe ọjọọ ka ndị be anyị na-celebrate and abịakwana na Nigeria ọ dị ha ka anyị nwawu ndị Igbo ka ọ ka n'isi. Ifukwana da gị alụ na-trade last Saturday kita ọ ghọọ na celebrity.
According to that,
enwere program that gị alụ mere were na-egosi sọsọ page ya mepere some years back enwere onye na-efolo ya na ya sọsọ ihe o mere na Saturday men gazie dị were nọmba men chatri up to 1000.
Another person onye nke church akụ another person
mba na enwere one girl gba ọtọ wee je ni Ashebi na ọ na-trade onya udele.
Okay, I saw the video. Omenala deliberately.
Yes, now on a trade. Ojigo ọnụ ya wee bịa akwa agụrụ m Ezugo. Nna watch the thing but I cry. Mana this girl ji ọnụ ya. Ọ bụ ihe niile ka ị ga-eme ka ị wee trade ya. A sị na akwụla na ebe akwa nwa na ụla nka ndị agbacha egwu ọ na-ala n'ugwu.
Yes.
Ịghọtana? Ị na-eme ihe ka ị wee trade ka e wee mara gị enwere mgbe ọ ga-eresi I wish I know. And ada aga nya aga. My father kwuru ada aga yesterday aga. Yesterday gafe you can never see yesterday again. Mgbe ị ga-eti ada anyị na owu n'ikpeazụ adị enwe ihe ị ga-eme ike agwụgo. Ife ihe this girl ji ọnụ ya ekwu nka ya achọ David ọ sị na mgbe ya ga-agba nkwụ na ndị ụmụnna ya ma mpa ya ma mma ya ma ndị Adamu ma ndị inyom ọla na ha ga-agba ọtọ ọrụ na ha gbara ọtọ na nwere ife na-eme di ya ga-agbakwa ọtọ ife ihe onye a na-akọ n'ọnụ ya ife ihe this girl na-ekwu ebe a na guys na
nwoke ya ejekwe nnu ya and the man will still go and marry her.
Ị na-ekwu okwu ụmụ nwoke nọ na-achat ya 1000 and na-achat kedu ihe a na-achat ya for onye nkuzi ka ọ bụ kịta na-akọ president
maka ọrụ ụmụ nwaanyị juru everywhere. We have a long way to go, man.
Ọ gbara ọtọ buru ara ya gbapụta n'ọgbọ ndị mmadụ trade ya abịakwa ka o were gosikwa na ihe o mere na ọ kpacha anya wee na-akọwatara gị na ọtọ ka a ga-agba mbọchị ọ ga-agba nkwụ ọ bụrụ na ndị Ashebi niile ga-agba confirm ọtọ enwere onye ga-eyi akwa a ga-agba ọtọ.
But ịma ihe kọsụrụ ihe a na-eme you know the cost.
Imagine.
Ịma the cost man. All the bad
from catching nke ya mbaba mgbe ahụ ya mbaba jụrụ kele afe
mmiri mma ọ sị eji agbọ ncha
ọha mmiri mma o nwere onye nke ọzọ nke Nnewi ka Nnewi nke ya mbaba jụrụ ebe
ọ nọ n'Instagram ama ọ nọ n'Instagram ọ na-emere kwa ihe sọrọ ya kachi eme.
Ọjọọ ya ị na-agba achawo ọ nọrọ na Facebook as admit ye. Yes, no na-agba achawo.
Ọ sị na ndị lụrụ nwaanyị bụ kọstọma ya na ndị a ka ọ chọrọ.
Ọ sị na ndị lụrụ nwaanyị wu ndị ya people na-eme na Facebook were achọ febe ejike and ndị ana encourage ya.
No, see,
enwere iwe brother ejike ọkwa inwelu something do ị na-akọwata ife gbasara travel and ụmụ ife a.
I do different head to travel so many things. Yeah.
Mmadụ na-ebịa na follow.
Nobody wants to hear those things now.
That information.
No, nobody.
Mana after that girl, she's somebody.
You know what happened? Yes. The Bible said that at the last day, the love of many will wax cold, iniquity shall abound. We are here to witness the words. These are some of the biblical signs of the end time. You notice here, those people are just like you open a shop. Open the people are there, go ahead there. You have to close up, but people are coming. So we are the ones supporting them. Now, what are they doing? Oh, you make it a Facebook phone and nobody is following. Or fail is they out. Just they may one or two things. Or be the trend. So don't blame them. Blame some of us in the push here indirectly to that in her name. Some of our sisters they make good content. Nobody comes in to support them in their live program or whatever.
My brother, you will not blame us. Not me, I'm not one of them.
No, I don't follow those people. I don't have time to watch them.
But let me tell you, the first thing is our government. And number two, parents.
What can government do?
Wait. You remember where I am now. You cannot try that bullshit. You try it within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you buy memorable. Just within 5 minutes, you brugi. Always for yourself.
You cannot try. Kill the
If na abort on a mayor, no, na side don't I can a mayor, man, and you or the country by country. Yes.
Okay.
Like a Asia country, no gara if we ban about less more here island.
Yeah. Okay, no, yeah.
So, mana due to na Nigeria, funu mbe maybe Nigeria may improve na aga na about kama na government anyị na-elegara ife niile anya. Government anyị na-elegara everything anya. And another thing bụkwa family onye shi na-ewepụta. Family onye shi na-ewepụta because all no family like nwere rules and regulations ma onwe onye a na-atụgara ụjọ ma onwe ka esi wee train ha. Ị gaghị apụta na-emegheri because ebe onye a na-etebe onwe ka ọ na-etebe ọkwa family ya. Ị ghọtara? Because na aga na
if you be family train chere nwatakịrị or Gaza school corrupt ya. Once you are above 18. Once you are above 18. Family background matters actually.
Family play a very important role.
Yes.
Like
before you will decide this year to anything, not minding what the family will say or do.
Yes. Enwe onye ga-ama na ome ya either na the family ga-egbu yourself ma ọ chọọ igbu ya. Then ọ chọọ ime ya ụjọ tụọ ya. Mana nwe onye wo ome yourself ihe amawo. Ịma ndị na-emekarị ihe ezugo ka m gwazie gị. Ka ịma na skuulu a na-eje na be anyị. Ọkwa ịma na enwere some parents eje ka ịma mmadụ ole na-abịaghị mbọs na-ayọ gị something. Ọkwa ịma na enwere some parents bụ nwa ha nweta ha na admission ha kwụọ aka pilot. Etu ọnụ o shi sọzie the girl ya grobazie my 3 years, my 5 years, my 6 years. Parents amazi na a na-akwụ ụgwọ. Parents ama ha na every year na ha ga na budget ọgwụgwọ dị 1 meter ma 500. Mana ihe ama na nwa ha nọ school. Ihe ama na nwa ha nọ school year 1, year 2, year 3 nwa ha nọ school. So mgbe ha ji that kind life na-azụ onwe ha ma ọ na-emere ihe ọbụla sọrọ ka ha wee survive. And the parents had ajụ ha ajụjụ kedu ka isha survive, kedu onye na-enye gị, kedu ha ma na scholarship. Dị mmadụ a na-eme ihe ọbụla sọrọ. Because before we video trend on that Saturday, for that video live. Kachi na-efozi mfuzi ebe ọ na-trade ọzọ mfụrụ ọbịa life na-ekwu na a ga-agba ọtọ na agara agba ọtọ nke o mere day before yesterday wee bịazi na-egosi ebe men na-achat efu ebe men ruru 1000 na-achat ya nwa agụgụ okwe celebrity na fonu ya na bọọlụ zi abọọlụ dịka ka Ezugo kpọtụrụ nke si ọ bụ dark man ahụ ewepụ na ihe a ya pụtara iro enwe onye gara ama onye
Yes.
ihe ọjọọ ka a na-eṅomi
In the
na ba.
neglect of our sister, our brother, this sister, and in prison,
Okay.
Bobby, somebody. All
Okay.
those stuff like that. On the amazing occasion, or barely occasion like this, or blue nuki, big men are following her or him, you know. Other people encourage you to start doing that.
Yes, Bob aha na ọ nkụzi ka ọ na-akụziri anyị ka ahịa ka ọ na-asampụl anyị ka ọ edukeshọn ka ọ na-enye anyị ka ọ helt ka ihe ọ na-akụziri anyị enwere ihe ọ na-akụziri anyị na-ahụhụ ite mekọp pụta na-emegheri na-akọrọpt other children agbachie nkịtị ya na-emegheri ma obodo o si na-epụta ma everything. So mgbe m fụrụ Ezugo na-ekwugwa ụmụ ihe ndị ọ na-ekwu like that woman na-asịzi ya bụ celebrity ama m celebrity ihe ọ bụ amarọ m celebrity ihe ọ bụ ama m
lawyer celebrity. Lawyer celebrity.
Nwere ihe dị ka lawyer ọ wụbeghị lawyer sef ọma ihe ọ gụrụ na-akpa
or police celebrity.
enwe ọma ihe ọ gụrụ ọ wee ike bụrụ kọtụma
ọ bụ na ọlụbe dị ama ma ya bịa n'ọgwụ at least ya eso ndị nụrụ celebrity.
na eziokwu ana m eche na ọ bụrụ ndị na otu aha na ọ ya ka m na-ekwu famili m si na-epụta nka na akwanyere famili m ugwu ewepụ na ya na-amara nke m na-eme ka m tredwe
ihe na-ajụ onwe m sometimes these people esi na family maka ọ nwere some video m eme here my mother I mean even my wife or whatever they'll be pull it down. Why did I don't imagine myself ịgba na-agba ọtọ asị nwaanyị all this stuff people na-eme what is wrong?
Mba ịma na ihe na-eme some ladies bụ adult ma ọ bụ youth bụ mgbe ahụ ịma na adolescent age ọ na-akpa akpa ọ na-ebu ọ na-akwa mmadụ akwa ị na-ere onwe gị anya otu ọ dịghị ka ị gara aka nka ị na-ele onwe gị anya otu ọ dịghị ka ị ga-adị young forever because ọ bụrụ na echetara mgbe my father na-emesi ihe ike mana enwe mgbe ọ ya wole anya asọ bụsikwa nya nwa bụ ife a ole anya ya akwuo ihe ezigbo ihe ọzọ ị ga-ahụ anya mmiri gbaba ya duto na orugo steji enwe ihe ọ ga-emenwuza ndị some changes ọ chọrọ ma ọ bụ sọ na ihe ọ chọrọ ime ọ gaghị emenwuzi ike agwụgwọ ya and mgbe ahụ sọsọ ihe ọ ga na-erite onye a ga na-erite mgbe ahụ
sorry one of our sisters deliver that is the empire. She said that it is our people that encourages them. I will soon start coming out without clothes. No one follow me with good content. Exactly, empire. Yeah. All these people, both Bobrisky, okay, assuming that Bobrisky town, nobody give him or her attention. For example, government ki blame in Western world here. Think of it, it's like their culture. So it's like part of them, but in a band is a different ball game. So another follow their page or I may encourage. Nobody will do that. I stop or they will stop it. But all Munaguma they follow her. We are just denying it. So we are their followers. Go to their pages, you see some comment I make, you see their followers, you see everything.
Ejike ka m gwakwana gị ihe ọzọ ịma na-abịa na Naịjirịa ihe gbasara ikpu ụmụ nwaanyị na-ajọ ajọ ikpu too much ọ bụrụ ihe dị ka Uganda na Tanzania Kenya ka mmadụ South Africa ka mmadụ gbara ọtọ ma ọ na-ewepụta ara enwe onye fụrụ enwe ihe eji eme ize normal stuff n'ọdụ uto etu ndị bais wee na-eme abịa na-eme awụ onye ụka mana ọwụhụ ụka n'eziokwu ma ọ bụ ana m eje na-eme ọwụ nkịta ikpuru na-ata akwa ndị agbanye ọkụ erie so onye a mere o ji abụ onye hụchatazie ụmụ ọtọ a ma ụmụ ihe dị otu onye ọ na-agba ka ọ ga nyoo ka ọ ga-afụ ka ọ ga mee nka mana ọ bụrụ na ihe a kwuru na western world ife onye gba ọtọ ka ife iji eme kedu ihe gbasara gị because enwe ọ bụrụ na ikpu ka ị chọrọ iri ikpu asị let's go and have fun aga nwee fun enwe ihe a kpọrọ ya ọ bịakwute gị ọsị I like you he say I like you too from there anything can happen mana be anyị ị ga-afụ nwatakịrị nwaanyị ihe ga-ejidekwa ebe ọ ga-eji igwe ya okwu ya mee God forbid over my dead body nke a na-amachagharị ihe a ga na-amacha abaa n'ime a na-emekwa ihe dị iche iche ọ ya mere o ji wee nwezie ka obere ara ma ọ bụ obere ike ji wee pụta onye ọbụla na-adaka ya ka a ga nyote ka a ga-afụ o so na the one of the problem kama ihe ọbụla na mmadụ na-eme n'ụwa ya mara na
Family should go back to drop square one. I mean, in training their children. Family have a role to play. Believe me.
Like I'm going to family enweziri kita. Onye ọwụna dị below 60 years. Onye ọwụna dị below 60 years. Nwere ihe ha chọrọ ịma ife ọwụna na-eme kita. Ọ ndị agha dị 60, 70 gaba ndị ahụ ndị ka ahụ chatara ụwa n'ebe ụwa ka dịtụ mma. Mana ị hụrụ from 50 na-agbadatawa. My brother enweghị anyị agara afụ na nke ikpeazụ a.
Family have a role to play. Church also have a role to play. Ever since they stopped preaching salvation message, ever since they started focusing on miracle and this thing, people gather church. You come to church as a social gathering. No more fear of God. You want to go?
Oh, miracle and prosperity can they preach. Miracle and prosperity. When he was,
yes, yourself. We can't hear you.
Okay, on the cook. Oh, okay, I'm not on the cook.
Ejikana masị kedu ife ịchọ ka the church mee ebe ị na-asọpọtụ ndị na-ekwu na church do useless.
Maybe you don't watch some of my program. I never say that church is useless. I tell people that you should be a Christian indeed, not by mouth. Now, for example, these people are no one this lady or Ikita. 80% of them are some of us that claim to be Christian. Although there's no two ways about it.
Yes, you are right.
Women are make we have no let's say put it in that way, you know. Now what am I saying that in the old days I'm not talking about the olden days.
And the condemning
the one side when they come to religion. If that person why you brought to Omenala, that just like all this native daughter name okay.
Why in the Omenala?
Let's say I don't know much about the tradition. I don't know much about tradition. I mixed it too. Mixture is allowed. You can call me Omenala, you can call me a Christian.
You are a Christian and you are only Omenala.
Of course, I'm a music too.
But
that religion, traditional people. Why are you a Roman Catholic? Why don't you call it Indian Catholic or German Catholic?
Speed too much. You want your Omenala. Yes. Yes. Then every time can I be on Facebook and I say, no, I am supposed to want to and I couldn't. My ideology. Let me tell you your ideology. Let me tell you. Let me emana a discoverable if you have but to kai well anya ego. Even before here accept all the part that yeah. You are an antichrist. I may not say that it's but you are
a follower of biblical Jesus. What does it call people say I don't believe in Jesus?
You are not even a Christian one bit. This is what you are doing. This is what you are doing. This is what you are doing. This is exactly what you are doing. This is what you are doing.
Okay, tell us
the question you are asking me. The question you are asking me is more like asking me, okay, who is a good student? So because no,
okay. Because I want to know, okay, one, Sam a good who is the Christian? Just tell us, let us.
Because name will Nabia school, name Wispo. For the Anachoni exam. Does it mean that in a school, Adroma or a school is scam? Okay, school always
the school average scam, school the okay, when you wait, okay. Let's check it
in a gathering where people are condemning education, where people are condemning school. na school mara mma ụfọdụ na-asị na school adụghọ mma na ife ụmụazị na-eji eme na school. Kele advice ihe enye nwa gị Ejike. Kele advice.
Mama wata this question or connect ihe. Okay, asị na school dị mma ụfọdụ sị na ọ dịghọ njọ. Okay, mma agwa gị everything will advantage you with disadvantage, but look at the good side of it. You go to school, look at what you're going to do. The same way as the people in our church, don't be gullible. Pastor want something, ask question. Even on Saturday, I may gospel hour. Now I find evening. We do ask question. You see the same thing. So now, if you watch my video with Matthias says that last 2 weeks I was in Nigeria. You watch the question on Julia dear. Immediately. So Christianity on them be defend unnecessary things.
Na anyị ma na o nwere ụmụazị galụ skuulu ebe a ebe anọda tem mana anyị ma na o nwere ndị eje gụọ akwụkwọ gụcha akwụkwọ. Then I am telling you, will you comfortably and proudly send your child to school knowing that na education was the best for him?
Of course.
Yeah,
of
you will do that, right?
But when I talk, you we are the best.
Thank you. Now, Ejike, I'm going to go fife. Anything about you na speak na being on a Christian. The reason is because you are not even balancing anything. You want to use every opportunity. You want to use every opportunity to justify Omenala and condemn Christianity. Wait, hold on, I'm coming. You want to use every opportunity, anywhere you find yourself, you want to use that opportunity to condemn Christianity and uphold Ndi Omenala. Now, I will give you some instances. I will give you some instances. Right now, I know. You want to talk about Ndi Igbo? You have already concluded the fact that no. Now, at the course of our conversation, he went to a Christian. Jojo, where some Mafudano Indo Menana na aborto. Where say yes, Nando Menana na aborto. I mean, Nande se wine na aborto. Nguma no a Christian Abulonio Menana. You came up with that defending. No, Nande se wine. Apollo. Shelu Ejike na ndị eze nwanyị abụrụ ndị omenala. Now, Ejike, today is the first time since I started meeting you on a program that you are agreeing with me. N'iwu onye omenala at all. You are agreeing with me today. Shelu Ejike, you are agreeing with me today. My brother, Chelu na
a Christian, case I'm a Christian. I want to know.
I don't need to answer you. I don't need to answer that question. Can finish even finish now, Ejike, today would the only day and program over the months, more than 6 months. 7 months, you are accepting the fact that Omenala accept traditional Christian accept but you denied for a whole month only to come today to come and admit it. What it shows is that since we become a program, I put it
to I watch my program. Did you understand better? You know, I tell people that on my posts you can see that I don't hate a pastor or whatever. Of course, I do worship with choosing. I still go there if I have time. None, but I'm some follower of Vate, Daniel, Dr. Ebed Damina. I do post him sometimes. I also listen to some that most of the American preachers that stand on salvation or whatever. I'm also follow our brother, what do you call him? If gospel hour. Now, here in Akoabu, Christianity is not that in Africa. We are just doing business. Not all actually, but majority. I ask you people, and a good prophecy. Can you tell me one advantage of prophecy to Nigerian economy? Nobody was able to do that.
Don't run away from
Okay,
what
tell
we are
me,
talking
okay, how
about.
do you know a good Christian? What does it mean to be a Christian? I want to be a Christian.
Okay, what does it take to be Omenala? What does it take to be Omenala?
Okay,
Since
okay.
you have proven yourself to be one.
Depends on your definition of Omenala. That's why I'm saying, and there's what do you call them, as the wine, and those native doctors. They are not Omenala. They are different people.
What does it
take a Christian before? Call what it takes to be a Christian first. I want to know.
How can I explain to you what it takes to be a Christian, which you are? I am not Omenala. You don't know. Since you don't want to tell us, Ejike, you say that you are a Christian and you are a strong follower of Matthias. To Mike here.
Okay, no, what? Somebody came in. Just tell me who is a Christian. How do you know a good Christian?
You are a Christian, but you are a strong follower of Matthias, right?
So I'm hearing what you are saying. I just moved to
No, ask him. You said you are a Christian, but you are a strong follower of Matthias, right?
Yeah, I'm a strong follower, yeah. Because I said 80% of what he's saying is the truth.
Okay, let us come to that 80% of what he's saying.
Okay, go ahead.
If it's onwe something to do with
we are saying something like mgbe ị na-ekwu maka Ejike, m na-efolo kwen Ejike some months now, but mgbe ị na-ekwu ihe iji mara Ejike nke isi mama bịara ọfụrụ, ana m efolo Ejike na-efolocha ma waja mana ihe nchọpụtara na Ejike na-akọwa abụ na post ya o, mana ọ bụrụ ka ọ bụrụ otu a ka isi wee kọwa abụ like Ejike anaghị condemn Christianity totally, but ọ na-condemn some of the things na-eme na Christianity. And the Ejike na-emekwe the same thing na ndị omenala. Ọ na-condemn some of the things ndị fake ndị omenala na-emekwe, na-epraise nke ọma ha na-eme. Etu a ka o si emekwe na church. Ọ na-epraise some ihe ndị wu right na a na-eme na church, na-condemn ndị adịrọ mma. Okay. Na program, I emego program sometimes. And the people like me, they are the same thing that I do. I'm a Christian. Mana mfu ihe ọwụ na-adịrọ mma na Christian na awụrọ ka o si aga, mmekwu nkwukwu ha na ife abụrọkwa ka ekwesịsị mee. Mfụkwa ndị omenala mụnwa bụkwa ihe ike kwukwe na ihe abụ arụ na ọwụrụ otu a ka o si aga. That is me. Don't stop me from being
let us do something now before I continue. Let us do something now before I continue. Or rather, can you wee search ife nnacho? Ejike.
Okay.
Ọ bụrụ na iwu onye bụ Okeke na afa nna iwu Joseph. O wee wụrụ na Mr. Raphael or na Mr. Emeka na agba your father wo Joseph mgba wee hụrụ ntutu taa na oyegburiri Joseph na Joseph ya anwụ wee hụrụ ntutu taa sị ewe jụọ ya si edo Joseph a o nwere ife o meluwu Ishi iji wee sị n'iyegburiri ya ọ sị nọ na ife dị otu a nọ na ife dị otu a mana na ọ chọzi na Joseph anyị atụsi ndụ na Joseph ga-anwụrịrị before nyanwawo Raphael ọhụ esu nyanwawo Emeka wee anybody esu ike iwe chọpụta na that person na-condemn nna gị achọrọ nna gị ndụ okwuge n'ihu okwuge na ife chọrọ owo na Emeka na Joseph ga-anwụrịrị. Will you run to that person and say that you are a follower of that person? Now that person is your favorite person because no one some things on about your father. Knowing fully well that now the end of your father. So So
Okay,
I am
now.
asking you, Ejike, answer the people here.
Okay.
Knowing
Now.
well the mission of that person, or those
Okay.
aim at the mission here.
Wait.
You know that his mission is not to correct your father.
Let me summarize what you said.
I'm not surprised. You try to do so. I expect it summarize even. You have to summarize even natural.
I'm gonna go ahead.
So, knowing that now the man is state commission here, I want to ask you, HK, on what ground are you supporting Mr. Emeka or Joseph against your own father, knowing that even which your own father won?
Okay, have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, this is an intelligent question, but somehow it's not directly related to this thing. But let me put it in there. You're only telling that somebody that want my father buy, but there are two things also that my father name more for, but his, agenda be to bring my father down to the grave. Will I still be in support in that anything of that person?
Okay.
Okay. Why should I follow that person? Anyway, okay, just allow me to answer. I can't be this question you ask me. Let me relate it to, because the question in the book, let's say Matthias now campaign now against Christianity. Let's say Jesus buy or Christianity buy. Why am I still supporting if I'm a Christian? In other words, Jesus as my father, and somebody truly with Jesus, why am I supporting? Now, let us go to Bible, because Bible is our mirror. The Bible, apart from telling you to forgive or whatever, and Jesus never asked us, my father never asked me to fight for him. Now, that my father, which is Jesus, he had the power.
I'm talking about your father, Joseph.
I can't be able to answer with the other reference.
You cannot,
because
then it means you don't want to answer.
Wait now.